This Lumen Interactive Calculator solves a fundamental lighting engineering challenge, converting between different photometric units. Whether you're designing architectural lighting systems, calibrating displays, or assessing photobiological safety, you need accurate conversions between illuminance, luminous flux, and luminous intensity. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. You can select illuminance to luminous flux for lux to lumens conversion, luminous flux to illuminance for the reverse, luminous intensity to flux for candelas to lumens, luminous flux to intensity for lumens to candelas, luminous efficacy for lumens per watt calculations, and multi-surface illuminance distribution for complex lighting scenarios. Each mode reveals specific input fields. For today's demonstration, let's use luminous flux to illuminance mode, which requires 2 inputs: luminous flux in lumens and area in square meters. Some modes include an additional utilization factor field ranging from 0 to 1, while others require beam angle in degrees or electrical power in watts. Let's work through a practical example. Say you're installing a 3000 lumen LED fixture to illuminate a workbench measuring 2.5 square meters. Enter 3000 in the luminous flux field and 2.5 in the area field. The calculator instantly shows the resulting illuminance, 1200 lux. This tells you whether your workbench meets the 500 to 1500 lux range typically required for detailed tasks. Each output directly relates to real-world performance. Lux values indicate surface brightness, lumens represent total light output, and candelas measure directional intensity. These conversions ensure your lighting design meets both safety standards and performance requirements. Remember, always account for the utilization factor when available. Ignoring real-world losses is a common error that leads to underlit spaces. Find the link in the description below.